Hello everyone, I'm John. Today I will be showing you how to use the picture-in-picture functions on the mini-edge SDI. We can see this row of picture-in-picture shortcuts, and there are 7 shortcut layouts in total. When we click these shortcuts, we can see that the layer A and the layer B also light up, because picture-in-picture is closely related to layers. And for example, if I choose the central layout, and we will see the layer A light blue, and on the preview screen, and we can see the blue border flashes, indicating that we can edit layer A and switch between any source in the preview. And when I switch to source the HDMI 2, and the source 2 also lights are blue. When we want to edit layer B, and we click on it, and we will see the source above light art with a blue border, and selecting source 2, source 3 also lights are blue. Okay. And however, layer A and source 2 have already turned green, and this means green indicates that they have been added, and while the blue edits, they are currently being added. And we can also take a look at the signal source color in the program, and the source 2 now is bright red, indicating that the program is displaying source 2. And if we switch the screen from preview to program, and we will know that the source 2 and 3 both turn red, and it means that they are now displayed in the program. And the above shows the signal source selection. And now let's talk about how to scale and crop the signal source. And come back to the preview and click the menu. Go to Layout Settings and click the Scale. And for example, if we want to change the width, and I click the knob and rotate the knob to adjust the value. And the same operation applies to the height and the position, and it is for zoom in and out in a 16:9 ratio. And it is the reset button. Okay, and the cropping settings are similar, and I will show you. Is change the height and the position. Okay, and I reset it. Okay, and returning to the home page, and I choose other layouts. And we can also use the zoom buttons and the joystick to control the setting. And first, select the signal to be edited. I choose to HDMI 4. And use the joystick to move the position. And use the zoom to control the size. And the layer A also can be controlled. Okay, and however, cropping still needs to be done in the layout setting. And okay, that concludes today's introduction to picture-in-picture, and thanks for you watching. Bye!